Ready to meet some incredible creatures that come alive under the stars? Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an adventure. And here's a fun challenge. See if you can spot the glowing lantern hidden in every scene of our journey tonight. First up, the barn owl. These amazing birds are silent flyers, thanks to special feathers that reduce noise. Their heart-shaped face helps them hear even the tiniest sounds. Perfect for hunting in the dark. Next is the bat. These creatures have a superpower called echolocation. By making high-pitched sounds, they can see their surroundings in total darkness. How cool is that? Now meet the curious raccoon. With their sharp night vision and sensitive paws, raccoons are experts at finding food in the dark. They're like little nighttime detectives. And who could forget the glowing firefly? These tiny insects light up the night to communicate and even attract mates. It's their very own secret language made of light. Finally, we have the stealthy ocelots. These wild cats are masters of the night, using their sharp vision and quiet movements to hunt under the stars. Let's play Guess the Animal. See if you can name them all. Can you guess which animal has a heart-shaped face that hears even the smallest sounds? You got it! It's the barn owl. How about the one that uses sound waves to find its way in the dark? That's right, it's the bat. Can you guess which animal has sensitive paws and loves to explore? Well done, explorer. It was the raccoon. Which one has glowing light to send secret messages? Good job! Did you guess the firefly? And finally, who's the stealthy hunter with sharp vision and spotted fur? It's the ocelot. You guessed them all. Good job, explorer! Did you spot all of the hidden lanterns? Let us know how many lanterns you found. These incredible animals remind us to embrace our unique gifts, just like they do. Remember, you have a special light to shine, even in the darkest moments. Thanks for joining us on this nighttime adventure. The world is full of wonder waiting for you to discover. Good night, explorers.